Tucked in beside the paved path in Headon Forest, there's a 2-story, 4-bed, 3.5-bath home waiting for you on Kevin Crescent. The traditional center staircase floor plan allows easy inside access to the garage as well as the primary rooms. The bright eat-in kitchen is the heart of this home and overlooks the saltwater pool, making it ideal for entertaining. This kitchen is just waiting for your touch. Beside the kitchen is the formal dining room with a large bay window juxtaposed to the formal living room space, which also boasts a large window to allow the natural light to fill the room and creates a space that would be ideal for an open concept renovation. Just off the kitchen to the other side of the home is the traditional family room with a gas fireplace and views out to the serene pool and patio. As we head up the winding stairs, the primary bedroom suite is through a set of double doors. With large windows, a substantial walk-in closet, and full ensuite, this primary bedroom is full of potential. The remaining bedrooms are fairly similar, but one offers privileged access to the main bathroom with jacuzzi soaker tub. Heading down the winding stairs into the basement, you are greeted by the finished entertainment space. With a wet bar, gas fireplace, and pool table, there's the potential to finish off a portion for an additional bedroom or bonus room. There is also a full washroom, perfect for a guest suite. Heading outside, you're greeted by a kidney-shaped pool flanked by 2 separate gazebo entertainment spaces. One with a smart TV for outdoor entertainment, and the other with a pool house bar just waiting to be brought to life.
So as we all know, you can change the finishes inside a home fairly easily, but the neighborhood, now that's a different story. Luckily for you,
2076 Kevin Crescent is walking distance to the paved path as well as Ireland Park, one of North Burlington's largest park spaces and home to amenities like the community garden, the splash pad and playground, tennis courts, and so much more. Being a stone's throw from the escarpment means you have easy access to adventuring in the great outdoors, like this hike through Mount Nemo, which you can explore in detail on my Genuine Realtor YouTube channel, so be sure to check that out. It also offers convenient highway access and is close to multiple shopping plazas. Of course, I'm happy to answer any questions, so please feel free to reach out, and don't forget to keep it genuine.